When creating your preferences, you can select your weight and mode. Weight is only applied within a specific tab, like room types or building. If I have more than one building selected in the Buildings tab, but I want to give preference to one over the other, I can change the weight. The numbers are arbitrary. You just need to have one number higher than the other, and the optimizer will look at the higher number first. If you only have one thing selected within a tab, you don't need to worry about updating your weight, like in the room type. The mode is how intense your rule is. For example, normal mode is the default for a rule, and normal means I would prefer for these sections to be in these buildings, but if one of these two buildings is not available, the sections can go into rooms in different buildings. Click into where it says normal to change the mode. The required mode is a hard and fast rule. If I change the mode to required for these two buildings, the sections must go into rooms in those buildings. If there are no rooms available, the sections will be unscheduled. The last mode that you will use within the scheduling preferences is the exclude mode. For example, if we have our building rules set back to normal, we know if these two buildings aren't available, the sections could go into any building and any rooms on campus. However, if there is one specific building we don't want the sections to go into, we can add an additional building and change the mode to exclude. The sections will never be assigned to rooms within that building. Once you have set up your rule as you would like it, click OK. To see the entire rule, click the plus sign next to the sequence number to expand each line. We have colors tied to these modes so that you can easily see what the rule is saying. Normal shows up in black text, required is in green text, and exclude is in an orange text.